God bless you everyone. Today I want to show you how to change a buff cover on a Hyundai Tiburon. Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. I'm gonna try to make this one simple and short. And what we're gonna do today is gonna be to replace the buff cover, and you guys can see why. My buff cover been leaking oil, and you can see how gross my cylinder head is looking. So we have probably about 11 bolts, I would say. All of them are around the buff cover. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna also remove the spark plugs wires and the throttle wire, and then it should, a couple of sensors, a couple of hoses, and it should be good to come out. So let's go. I got the buff cover successfully out. You guys can see how much oil we have all over the buff cover, in the front, other one in the back. So obviously this thing was leaking. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna clean the edge. I'm going to replace the half moon, and since I'm here, just gonna throw a quick coat of paint. I'm not gonna use automotive paint, I'm just gonna use a regular spray paint, and because I'm curious to see how it's gonna stand to the heat. So this is a small experiment I want to do. So just gonna go ahead and use regular spray paint, no high temperature, and see what happens. This guy is now clean. You guys can see how everything is looking. Also, I removed the half moons, and honestly it's coming out very nice. Over here I have the new bath cover gasket kit, and it came with everything. I'm not gonna replace this one because those are not leaking, and this one were leaking either, but I decided to replace them anyway. So what I'm gonna do is gonna use some RTV, put them there, make sure it dries. Meanwhile that does, I'm gonna start cleaning up this puppy. So here we have the buff cover clean. I clean it best as possible. I'm sure I have oil, but that's the way it's gonna go. And what I'm gonna do, decide to prime it with this bonding primer by Sherwin-Williams, and let's give it a shot. So here we have the first light coat. Let it dry, and then we're gonna do 2 more coats of primer. So this is after the 3rd coat of primer. It's looking very nice. And now what I'm gonna do is just gonna heat it with Krylon semi-gloss white. This one is basically all-purpose paint, it's not high heat paint. And let's go. So it's been 3 coats after, and this is the final product. It's looking amazing. I really digging how it came out. It looks great. Also, I went ahead and paint this guy over here as well, and I think it looks fantastic. So So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna go ahead, mount on the car. So let's go. Alright guys, so here is the final product. So we got our bath cover painted white, semi-gloss, and we paint the center on satin black. And honestly, I like it a lot. I hope I'll be able to keep it clean. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. I just paint my bath cover using not high heat paint. This is my daily, so you guys know I use it every single day to come to work. So I'm gonna be testing this and see how it performs with daily use. So if you guys wanna know what's gonna be next, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of things coming up. Hope you guys have a nice day, and I will see you on the next one. God bless you all.